Okay, so guys, now let's look at regional organization. So I'm just introducing this part. Okay, so this topic is the last topic in civic education at grade 9 level. So we need to know what a regional organization is. Okay, so what is a regional organization? A regional organization is an organization whose member belong to a particular geographical region. A regional organization is one whose member belong to a particular geographical region. Now, in this case, there are a lot of regional organization, but in this discussion, we're just going to focus on regional organizations to which Zambia belong. Okay, we're just going to put our focus on regional organizations to which Zambia belong. So we have basically 4 regional organizations to which Zambia belong. So number 1, we have the Southern Africa Development Community, which is also abbreviated as SADC. So SADC stands for Southern Africa Development Community. So this is SADC. Then we also have COMESA, which stands for Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa. This is COMESA. So COMESA stands for Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa. Then we have NEPAD. NEPAD stands for New Partnership for Africa's Development. So this is NEPAD. NEPAD stands for New Partnership for Africa's Development. So this is NEPAD. Then you have the last one, but not the least, AU. So AU stands for African Union. AU stands for African Union. Okay, so these are the 4 regional organizations to which Zambia belong. So now, in our next lesson, we are going to look at each of these in detail. So I'm just introducing regional organizations. So we have SADC. Number 1, we have SADC. So SADC was formed in 1980. That's when SADC was formed. Then we also have COMESA. COMESA was formed in COMESA was formed in 1994. Then we also have NEPAD. NEPAD was formed in 2001. Then we have African Union, which was formed in 1963. Okay, so now you're supposed to know now the headquarters for each regional organization. So the headquarters of SADC, where are the headquarters? The headquarters of SADC are in Gaborone, Botswana. That's where the headquarters of SADC are. So if you're being asked a question to say where are the headquarters of SADC, so the headquarters of SADC are in Gaborone, Botswana. Then COMESA, where are the headquarters of COMESA? So headquarters of COMESA, they are in Zambia. They are in Lusaka, Zambia. So headquarters of COMESA, they are in Lusaka, Zambia. Then NEPAD, where are the headquarters of NEPAD? So the headquarters of NEPAD, they are in Midrand, South Africa. Okay. Then what about African Union? So the headquarters of African Union, they are in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Okay. So the headquarters of African Union are in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Headquarters of NEPAD are in Midrand, South Africa. Headquarters of COMESA are in Lusaka, Zambia. Headquarters of SADC are in what? Gaborone, what? Botswana. Okay. So now after doing this, we're supposed also to know the countries which belong to what? SADC. Countries which belong to SADC. So what can help you is you to come up with a map of Africa. So let me just come up with a simple map of Africa. Maybe just do this simple map of Africa. This. Okay. Okay. Now remember, we are saying SADC stands for what? Southern African Development Communities. So meaning most of the countries which belong to SADC, they are part of the southern region. And you know the southern region ends up to this. So this part of shaded is the southern region. Okay. So all these countries which are on the southern part of Africa, they belong to SADC. Okay, inclusively Madagascar, Comoros, Seychelles. Okay. So maybe let's look at 15 countries which belong to what? SADC. 15 countries which belong to SADC. So these countries are, we have one, Zambia. Okay, Zambia belongs to SADC. Then in two, we have Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe. Okay. Then we have Malawi. Malawi also belongs to what? SADC. What else? We have Mozambique. Mozambique also belong to SADC. What else? We have Madagascar. Madagascar. What else?